Hello students, good morning. So let's start with our lesson number 16, light. ठीक है. So what is light? A light is a source of energy. So let's start. The world is largely known through the sense. The sense of sight is one of the most important sense. Though it we see mountains, river, trees, plants, chairs, peoples and so many other things around us, we also see clouds, rainbows and birds flying in the sky. At night we see the moon and the stars. You are not able to see the words and sentences printed on this page. You are able to see the word and sentences printed on this page. How is seeing made possible? अभी देखो, इन द सेंस, ठीक है, हम लोग सेंस कर सकते हैं, हम लोग देख सकते हैं, हम लोग बहुत चीज़ें देखते हैं. इन स्पाइट what you are seeing now, just because you are able to see it, but how you are able to see it? So that is the question. So let's start. 16.1, what makes things visible? Have you ever thought हाउ वी सी वेरियस ऑब्जेक्ट? आपने कभी सोचा है हम लोग को वेरियस ऑब्जेक्ट हम लोग कैसे देख सकते हैं? यू मे से दैट आई सी द ऑब्जेक्ट, बट कैन यू सी एन ऑब्जेक्ट इन द डार्क? आप लोग ऐसा बोल सकते हो कि अभी हम मतलब हम दैट आर आईज आर एबल टू सी द ऑब्जेक्ट, बट यही आईज से आप डार्क में मतलब अंधेरे में ऑब्जेक्ट को देख सकते हो क्या? नो, दैट इज़ नॉट पॉसिबल, right? So it is only when light from an object enters our eyes that we see the object. The light may have been emitted by the object or may have been reflected by the object. So in class 7 we have learned that a polished or a shiny surface can act as a mirror. ठीक है, a mirror changes the direction of the light then falls on it. You can tell in which direction the light fall on a surface will be reflected. So let us find out. ठीक है, तो we are able to see the object with the help of our eyes, but how? Due to light, due to reflection and refraction of light. So let's start. So 16.2 लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. तो अभी लाइट का रिफ्लेक्शन कैसे होता है उसके भी लॉ है. सो विल start with law of reflection. So let's start. This is the activity 16.1 given over here. So what is the activity? Fix a white sheet of paper on a drawing board on a table. Take a comb and close all its opening except one in the middle. You can use a strip of black paper for this purpose. Hold the comb perpendicular to the sheet of paper. Through light from a torch through the opening of the comb from one side. With slight adjustment of the torch and the comb, you will see a ray of light along the paper on the other side of the comb. Keep the comb and the torch steady. Place a strip of plain mirror in the path of a light ray. What you will be observing? So this is the arrangement of the activity shown in this picture. So what you will observing? You will observing the reflection, right, on that mirror. Okay, so after striking the mirror, the ray of light is reflected in the another direction. आप देख सकते हो वहाँ पे क्रॉस मार्क आपको दिख रहा है. So after striking the mirror, the ray of light is reflected in other direction. The light ray which strikes any surface is called the incident ray. तो जो रे है वो सरफेस को जो स्ट्राइक कर रहा है उसे हम लोग बोलेंगे इंसिडेंट रे. सो द लाइट रे विच स्ट्राइक्स एनी सरफेस इज कॉल्ड द इंसिडेंट रे. The ray that comes back from the surface after reflection is known as reflected ray. मैंने आप लोगों को लॉज ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन लास्ट ईयर डिटेल में पढ़ाया है, ठीक है. सो यू आर सपोज टू गो थ्रू इट अगेन. So what is the law of reflection? The incident ray, the reflected ray and the normal, they both of them lies in the same plane and angle of incident is equal to angle of reflection. So this is the law of reflection. So let's study further. Draw a line showing the position of the plane mirror, the incident ray and the reflected ray on the paper with the help of your friend. Remove the mirror and the comb. Draw a line making an angle of 90 degree to the line representing the mirror at the point where the incident is striking the mirror. This is known as the normal. ठीक है. So this figure we have drawn last year. So carefully observe the figure. And line is drawn normal to the reflecting surface at the point. ठीक है. So the angle between the normal and the incident ray is called the angle of reflection. Now you are supposed to measure the angle of incident and the angle of reflection. Repeat the activity several times by changing the angle of incident. Enter the data in table 16.1. So, figure 16.3 indicates the angle of incident and angle of reflection. ठीक है, तो आप देख सकते हो यहाँ पे angle of incident and angle of reflection दोनों कैसे है? Same. So, our first law of reflection states that angle of incident and angle of reflection are both are equal. ठीक है. And the second statement is that angle of reflected ray, incident ray and the normal ray, three of them lie in the same plane, right? Further, so this table 16.1, it is your today's activity. You're supposed to do it further. So what is the, so just now I explain you that angle of incident is always equal to the angle of reflection. This is one of the angle of this is one of the law of reflection. So let us perform another activity on the reflection. So activity 16.2. See, these are the activity to you are supposed to do it, right? So you are supposed to read it. So let us read it. Perform activity 16.1. Again, this time use a sheet of स्टिफ पेपर और अ चार्ट पेपर. ये बार हम लोग को क्या करना है? यूज़ करना है चार्ट पेपर यूज़ करना है. लेट द शीट प्रोजेक्ट अ little beyond the edge of the table. Cut the projecting portion of the sheet in the middle. Look at the reflected ray. Make sure that the reflected ray extends to the projected portion of the paper. Bend that part of the projected portion on which the reflected light falls. Can you still see the reflected ray? Bring the paper back to the original position. Now, in this activity, see figure 16.4. पेपर कैसे रखा है? ठीक है. So, इंसिडेंट रे, रिफ्लेक्टेड रे एंड द नॉर्मल एट द पॉइंट ऑफ इंसिडेंट लाई इन द सेम प्लेन. मैंने पहले ही आपको बताया. एंड दिस एक्टिविटी वी हैव डन इन डिटेल लास्ट ईयर, राइट? So this is not the first time that you are studying the law of reflection. Last year I have told you in detail. I have drawn the diagram on the blackboard. See, now I am not able to draw here the diagram. So you are supposed to recall your last year's diagram. And I have in the textbook it is shown there also, right? So further, when the whole sheet of paper is spread on the table, it presents one plane. So it represents one plane. The incident ray, the normal at the point of incident and the reflected ray are all in the same, are all in this plane. When you bend the paper, you create a plane different from the plane in which the incident ray and the normal lie. Then you do not see the reflected ray. What does it indicate that the incident ray, the normal at the point of incident and the reflected ray all lie in the same plane. So this is the second law of reflection. Paheli and Bujo perform the above activities outside the classroom. Right? So when the sun as the source of the light instead of a torch, उन्होंने क्या किया? टॉर्च की जगह पे सोर्स किसको यूज़ किया? सन को. ठीक है. You too can use the sun as the source of a light. So Bujo remembered in class 7 he studied some features of the image of an object formed by a plane mirror. Paheli asked him to recall those features. ठीक है. तो लास्ट टाइम हम लोग जब लाइट का चैप्टर पढ़ रहे थे तो हम लोग ने लास्ट ईयर भी ये पढ़ा था लाइट के बारे में. सो क्या पढ़ा था? वॉज द इमेज इरेक्ट और अपसाइड डाउन? वॉज इट ऑफ द सेम साइज एट द ऑब्जेक्ट? डिड द इमेज पेपर Did the image appear at the same distance behind the mirror as the object was in front of it? Could it be obtained on a screen? So let us understand a little more about the formation of an image by a plane mirror in the following ways. ठीक है, हम लोग डिटेल में पढ़ेंगे formation of the image, right? So further, you may recall that in the image formed by a mirror, the left of the object appears on the right and the right appears on the left. This is known as lateral inversion. ठीक है. अभी नॉर्मली आप जब मिरर में देखते हो तो आपका जो लेफ्ट मतलब इधर क्या बोला है कि उन्होंने दैट द इमेज फॉर्म बाय अ मिरर द लेफ्ट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट अपियर्स ऑन द राइट. ठीक है. लेफ्ट ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट मिरर में हम लोग को कहाँ पे दिखेगा? राइट में दिखेगा. सो दिस इज नोन एज द लैटरल इन्वर्जन. So regular and diffused reflection. Imagine that parallel rays are incident on the irregular surface as shown in figure 16.6. Remember that the law of reflection are valid at each point on the surface. Use these law to construct reflect rays and various points. Are they parallel to one another? You will find that these rays are reflected in different directions. Right? So we'll be seeing in detail. देखो 16.6 फिगर 16.6 और 16.7 को देखो. ठीक है. पैरेलल रेज इंसिडेंट ऑन एन इर्रेगुलर सरफेस. रेज ऐसे भी है जो इर्रेगुलर सरफेस पे पैरेलल रिफ्लेक्शन देंगे. ठीक है. और रेज ऐसे भी है जो इर्रेगुलर सरफेस पे मतलब इर्रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन दे सकते हैं. ठीक है. सो रेज रिफ्लेक्टेड फ्रॉम द इर्रेगुलर सरफेस. बोथ दीज आर द टू फिगर विच शोज दैट द first figure shows that parallel rays reflect on an irregular surface and figure second shows rays reflected from irregular surface. So when all the parallel rays reflected from a rough or irregular surface are not parallel, reflection is known as diffused or irregular reflections. ठीक है. तो देखो ये जो रेज है रिफ्लेक्टेड रेज अगर वह पैरेलल में नहीं है तो हम लोग उसे बोलेंगे डिफ्यूज्ड और इरेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन. ठीक है. रिमेंबर दैट द डिफ्यूज रिफ्लेक्शन इज नॉट ड्यू टू द फेलियर ऑफ द लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन. अभी आप बोलोगे मैम ये डिफ्यूज्ड है सो इज दिस नॉट अ लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन? नो, इट इज मीन्स दैट द फेलियर ऑफ द लॉ डिफ्यूज रिफ्लेक्शन मतलब ये जो रेगुलर में नहीं है तो हम लोग ऐसा नहीं बोल सकते दैट इट इज नॉट parallel. The reflection is known as the diffused or irregular reflection, right? So on the other hand, reflection from a smooth surface like that of mirror is called a regular reflection. Images are formed by the regular reflection. ये जो images form होते हैं मिरर के ऊपर ये किसकी वजह से form होते हैं? Due to the regular reflection. ठीक है. So figure 16.8 this is the आपको बता सकता है कि regular reflections कैसे हैं. ठीक है. स्मूथ सरफेस के ऊपर रेगुलर रिफ्लेक्शन फॉर्म होते हैं. राइट. सो दिस वाज ऑल अबाउट लॉ ऑफ रिफ्लेक्शन एंड डिफ्यूज्ड रिफ्लेक्शन. राइट. सो फर्दर वी विल बी स्टडिंग अबाउट रिफ्लेक्टेड रे कैन बी रिफ्लेक्टेड अगेन. ठीक है. रिफ्लेक्ट हुई लाइट दैट कैन बी रिफ्लेक्टेड अगेन. Reflected light can be reflected again, right? So recall the last time you visited a hairdresser. ठीक है. आप कभी सलून में गए रहेंगे. She makes you sit in the front of a mirror. वो आपको कहाँ पे बिठाता है? In the front of a mirror. After your haircut is complete, she hold a mirror behind you to show how the hair can be cut. ठीक है. आप जब बार्बर शॉप में जाते हो, राइट? आप जब बार्बर शॉप में जाते हो तो जब वो बाल कटाने के बाद आपको एक मिरर दिखाता है पीछे से. वही इमेज आपको आपके सामने वाले मतलब आपके सामने जो मिरर रहता है उसमें आपको दिखाई देता है. ठीक है. तो आपको पीछे घूमना पड़ता है क्या कैसे हेयर कट हुआ है देखने के लिए? नहीं, उसको आप सामने भी देख सकते हो, सामने देख सकते हो. ठीक है. सो डू यू नो हाउ यू कुड सी द हेयर एट द बैक ऑफ योर हेड? पता है आपको? नहीं. Pahili recalls having constructed a periscope as an extended activity in class 6th. Sorry. Yeah. Okay. So, the periscope makes the two-plane mirror. Can you explain how reflection from the two mirror enables you to see objects which are not visible directly? Periscope are used in submarines, tanks, and also by soldiers in the bunkers to see things. So this was so we'll study this again in the next part. So you just read it, right? So in this part we have seen about the law of reflection, and further we'll be studying again reflected light can be reflected again and further chapter, right? So thank you.